Let us see how to download and install Arduino IDE. Go to the browser and type install Arduino IDE. Click the official website link of the Arduino, that is www.arduino.cc. Now you can see the procedures to install the Arduino software on Windows PC. Make sure all the checkboxes are selected. In this you will find the location of the setup to be installed. And the required space and the memory space available is also mentioned here. On the top over the Cloud, Documentation, Blog and About, click the Software tab and find the latest version of the Arduino IDE over here. Click your OS version on the list of options available. Now click Just Download. After the download is completed, run the setup and then install the program. Agree on the license agreement. Make sure all the checkboxes are selected and click Next. Check with the file location and then click Install. Now the Arduino is getting installed by extracting the files. You can also view the details of the files over here. Now click Install on this device. Then click Install for the USB driver. Installation for the Arduino software is completed.